everyone, my name is Lily and I'm the Sustainability Specialist at Cal State Long Beach. Today we'll be making one of my personal favorites, vegan brownies. These also happen to be grain-free, so they're perfect for anyone with gluten sensitivities like me. And they're also Picky Hubby approved, right babe? Great, let's get started. To make this recipe vegan, I'll have to make 2 flaxseed eggs by mixing 6 tablespoons of water with 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal. In a large bowl, mix together 1 cup of almond butter, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and the 2 flax eggs we made earlier. Mix until smooth and well combined. Next, add 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil and mix again until smooth. Finally, add 1/3 of cocoa powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix well until well incorporated. The last step is my favorite. Add about 1/4 of a cup of vegan dark chocolate to the batter, but make sure that you leave a little bit to top the brownie once you pour the batter on the baking pan. And finally, you should end with a batter that is super thick. That's exactly how we want it to look like. Perfect. Then carefully pour the batter into an 8x8 baking dish. Once the batter is in your baking sheet, make sure you spread it so that it bakes evenly. And with the leftover chocolate from earlier, you're gonna sprinkle this on top so that we get those ooey gooey layers that we all love from brownies. Bake these in 350 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes, making sure not to over bake them. Now's the hard part, waiting for these to come out. After waiting around 10 minutes for them to cool, they're now ready to enjoy. I typically like to eat them with some vegan ice cream and some coconut whipped cream, but they're good as is. Enjoy.